On December 25th, 2024, Christmas Day, Azerbaijan Airlines Flight 8243 was a scheduled international passenger flight from Heydar Aliyev International Airport in Baku, Azerbaijan, to Kadyrov-Grozny International Airport near Grozny, Russia. The plane is Embraer 190AR. The flight was severely damaged by what is believed to be a Russian surface-to-air missile during the aircraft's approach to Grozny. The aircraft attempted to divert but ultimately crashed near Aktau International Airport in Aktau, Kazakhstan, with 62 passengers and 5 crew on board. Of those 67 people, 38 died in the accident, including both of the pilots and the flight attendant, while 29 people survived with injuries. Approximately 40 minutes after takeoff, as the aircraft entered Russian airspace and neared Grozny, the crew reported losing GPS navigational aids due to jamming. Foggy conditions were also reported by the airport. As the plane approached its destination, 81 minutes into the flight, passengers reported an explosion and shrapnel striking the aircraft. In radio transmissions, the pilots attributed the event to a bird strike and requested a diversion. They initiated emergency protocols, including Skoking 7700 on the transponder, and redirected the flight over the Caspian Sea toward Aktau. However, images from the crash scene revealed perforated holes in the tail section, damage that experts deemed inconsistent with a bird strike but resembling the impact of a surface-to-air missile. On December 26, 2024, Euronews reported that, citing Azerbaijani government sources, the plane had been hit mid-flight by a Russian missile during efforts to repel a Ukrainian drone attack on Grozny Airport. Shrapnel from the blast injured several passengers and cabin crew. On December 27, 2024, the New York Times reported that Azerbaijani investigators believed a Russian Pantsir S-1 air defense system had damaged the plane before it crashed. On December 28, Russian President Vladimir Putin apologized to the President of Azerbaijan, Ilham Aliyev, for the tragic incident involving the aircraft in Russian airspace. He stated that the Ukrainian drones had been targeting Grozny at the time and that Russian air defenses had repelled these attacks, but he did not confirm that the flight had been shut down or acknowledge Russian responsibility. And on December 29, President Aliyev said that Russia had accidentally shut down the plane, accused Russia of attempting to obfuscate and hush up the crash, and demanded a full admission of guilt, punishment for those responsible, and compensation for the victims and their families.